Convener of Joint Action Committee for Fishery Cooperative Society of 4 districts of Manipur, Konjengbam Nabachandra, has appealed to the state government as primary borrowers to consider waiving off loans for fish farmers in light of the severe flooding that has occurred 3 times after a decade, which has significantly impacted the farmers' livelihoods. In a press meet held at Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club, Nabachandra noted that in September of 2023, the NCTC Delhi, under the Register Cooperative, has sanctioned loans for the fish farmers with the approval of Cooperative Society. The loan was sanctioned for 163 farmers of Imphal East, Imphal West, and Bisnupur districts. After receiving the loan, the farmers had invested with bigger hopes. However, the unpredictable floods have devastated farmers' properties and lives, resulting in the loss of approximately 80 to 90% of their margin money. Given the persistent weather conditions in Manipur, he noted that there is little chance of the rain subsiding anytime soon, which resulted in inability to repay their loans. He further appealed to the state government to waive off the loan to ensure the survival of the farmers.
Asatok jaba loan jima invest okaganda aikoigi Manipur da ngagi ngathoksi watli basi puthok jaduna aikoigi senmit loan da farani amasung aikoi cooperative society se yamna register cooperative ki makhada hingani chakholani na khanjaba mangla lado koi manglan mangphawna dre anirak aikoigi investment tawraba new pond construction renovation amasung hatchery tawraba se akoi input management cost se akoi isagi hanagi society gi leiba amount bo yauna thada jaraba se aikoi 80-90% akoi crop damage tawre Manipur state government da koina no luksa base aikoi gi loan se masi makhata na margin money se loina mangba anirak ahumlak isaung na mangan bigrabni na aikoi mathangi hokdok chanabagi paisa je akoi gi khutta leitre aduna maram oidana akoi state government da koina request tawjaba se loan se kopiu aduga makhata ba akoi gi alternative means ama sinbirabadi aikoi Manipur da leiriba nga ge society primary cooperative society singse hingba ngangani